Welcome to ToxPHACTS, an expert system for developing new medicines faster, cheaper and with less animal experiments. My name is Annika Dangl and I'm the CEO of Finaris, a spin-off from the Pharmacoinformatics Research Group at the University of Vienna that develops and merchandises ToxPHACTS.
It takes 2 billion euros and more than 10 years to develop a new drug, but the success rate is less than 5%. One of the main reasons for the high costs are failures due to side effects, such as liver toxicity, which have been overlooked. My research group at the University of Vienna focuses on new computational tools which allow the prediction of side effects.
With
ToxPHACTS, we have developed an expert system which combines our years of experience in cheminformatics with powerful algorithms for the mining and analysis of big data.
ToxPHACTS
combines a highly innovative artificial intelligence-driven similarity search with semantic data integration and customized data analysis. By using artificial intelligence, ToxPHACTS will permanently learn from new data and continuously increase its precision.
ToxPHACTS wird daher nicht nur Zeit und Kosten sparen.
ToxPHACTS will thus not only save time and money, but it will also help reduce the number of animal experiments. ToxPHACTS is being developed by a University of Vienna spin-off, which is supported by INITS, a startup incubator.
The University of Vienna is fully supportive for the general strategy to perform the scientific development in the Pharmacoinformatics Research Group and subsequently transfer the rights to Finaris. Finaris will perform the product development and commercial exploitation and will pay royalty fees to the university for the next 10 years. After this, the license is considered as fully paid up and Finaris can continue to use the license free of charge. Settings and training conditions for artificial intelligence-driven similarity search will stay proprietary. The basic data warehouse, which is the OpenFacts discovery platform, is open access but does not contain toxicity data. The enrichment with this data will be proprietary, and also the link sets from OpenFacts to side effects will stay proprietary. For big pharma companies, Finaris will offer ToxPHACTS as software package following an annual license model. For SMEs and research facilities, we will provide a secure cloud-based web service on basis of pay-per-use and subscription models. The Pharmacoinformatics Research Group already provides a web service free for non-commercial use to attract awareness in the user community. Regarding customers, we will mainly focus on pharmaceutical and agrochemical companies, SMEs, universities and research centers, and regulatory bodies. In the beginning, we will focus on the European market, followed by the USA and later on by Asia and Australia. Very few software vendors in the drug discovery and development area offer solutions for toxicologists. According to our information, there is currently no expert system for toxicological read-across available, which uses a combination of complex similarity searching combined with big data analysis. The software packages offered by LASA and LeadScope are based on fragment analysis of compounds for safety assessment and thus follow a completely different approach than ToxPHACTS, since we use whole compound similarity rather than fragments for assessment. Some companies like Optibrium and Molecular Networks offer computational models for predicting side effects. However, as we learned in our collaborations with pharmaceutical companies, toxicologists rely much more on literature data than on predictions made by black box systems. What makes our team the right one to produce ToxPHACTS? As spin-off from the Pharmacoinformatics Research Group, we have the scientific background. Furthermore, our team is complemented by members with business skills, and we therefore provide all skills to develop and merchandise ToxPHACTS. The Pharmacoinformatics Research Group is a regular partner in large collaborative industry-academia EU projects dealing with toxicity prediction and semantic data integration, and thus we have a strong network of industry scientists comprising personal contacts to leading scientists in the most important pharma companies. Thank you very much for your attention and interest.